Japanese researchers are studying the health benefits of the pigment. A team at Kyoto Prefectural University of Medicine has performed more than a decade of experiments designed to prove its benefits. Their experiments on mice have shown a link between astaxanthin and physical fitness. They fed the mice on the right food containing astaxanthin for 4 weeks. Those on the left did not eat it. Then, mice from each group were placed in an exercise box. Initially, there weren't any obvious differences, but gradually, the mice that didn't consume astaxanthin began to trail behind. The researchers repeated the experiment and tracked how many minutes the mice were able to run. Those that consumed astaxanthin ran 17 minutes longer on average than those that didn't. The researchers took a closer look to pinpoint why. They dyed tissue from the heart and calf muscles with a special reagent. Samples from the mice that did not eat astaxanthin contain many dark spots. They indicate areas of inflammation. Muscle inflammation can cause fatigue. That explains why the mice fell behind. What's more, inflammation is caused by a potentially harmful substance called reactive oxygen species.
When the mice engage in strenuous exercise, mitochondria and other cellular components in both skeletal and heart muscles start producing excessive amounts of reactive oxygen species. This substance oxidizes things like DNA, protein, fat, and cells, and causes the dark spots to occur.
The mice that consumed astaxanthin didn't have much inflammation. The researchers thought there must be a connection between them. When living creatures breathe, they inhale oxygen, which gets carried to cells. Mitochondria then use the oxygen to generate energy. A byproduct of this process is reactive oxygen species, or ROS. ROS fights viruses and bacteria, but when there's too much, proteins and fat inside mitochondria become oxidized, weakening their ability to produce energy. This is called oxidative stress. Too much oxidative stress can cause serious problems. For instance, the muscles that help the eye to focus grow weak, diminishing sight. Oxidative stress may also compromise cardiac functions, leading to heart failure. The researchers looked for changes in the cells of mice that were fed astaxanthin and those that weren't to help confirm how it works. They focused on proteins inside mitochondria that play an important role in generating energy. They also compared mice after exercise and measured the degree of protein oxidation. They found that the mice that ate astaxanthin had 40% less oxidation than those that didn't. The results suggest that astaxanthin helps to eliminate excess reactive oxygen species.
Simply put, astaxanthin protects cells throughout the body from oxidative stress. They also prevent damage caused by ROS, so people don't get sick. They are a form of preventive medicine. I bet more and more scientists around the world will be focusing on astaxanthin in the future.
A Japanese company developed a technology to mass-produce astaxanthin supplements. Medical professionals are now using them to treat patients.